Good morning, everyone.
It's 6 a.m. right now, and today is 12th of December. So this is the rented Bullet 350 Classic I have taken for the term 4 days so that I could do my work. I mean that.
यहाँ पे कुछ purchases करूँ कि like households, kitchen stuff, my room setting up stuff, and I have to get a bicycle for me. So that's the main purchase being pending for now before I join my class.
Because I'm staying outside and alone, I haven't met my classmates yet. Actually, I haven't met them only because of मैंने जो टेस्ट किया था उसका रिजल्ट अभी तक नहीं आया था. सो टुडे ऑन माय डे 2 I will get the hard copy document of the result. So once it is there, I'll go to mission block, MIT block 1, where COVID-19 का एक क्लियरेंस फॉर्म मिलता है. उसको फिल अप करके अलाउ कीजिए कि मुझे कैंपस के अंदर वो कार्ड लेके आऊँगा. क्या व्हाट कार्ड? क्लियरेंस कार्ड. क्लियरेंस फॉर व्हाट? क्लियरेंस फॉर COVID-19. तो वो कार्ड लेके जाएंगे क्लास. So for everyone's safety, I haven't met anyone. This will spice up the talks. आए थे सुपरमार्केट न्यू वॉलमार्ट
At Tiger Circle, and we got our home accessories. Fine, then we'll cycle back. Okay, I got my cycle by the way, and 4 days of that bike is already done now, and we have got the cycle. We are enjoying it.
Manipal, I mean, these are the lonely streets of Manipal right now. Actually, it's a Sunday, so जो mandatory people होने चाहिए, they are not here now. Civil engineering, biotechnology and basic science. ये अपना केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग का बिल्डिंग. इट लुक्स क्लासिक एक्चुअली. पुराना है बट दिल को भाग है. Yes, finally, actually they do have ACs in them. This hotel you are seeing, restaurant, I got that fish fry, rice and sambar. It's a handy place if you are in Tiger Circle and you are interested in having non-veg. I mean, on a cheaper side. Actually come to Cosmo Vision Cable TV network. I wanted to get a internet connection for myself. So I'm getting the unlimited plan for now, and this is their office. So any problem you want to, if you want an internet connection from Ion, you can visit here. And yeah, it's super easy. Just fill up the form and give your identity proof. Let it be DL or Aadhaar or PAN, anything, and bring 2 photos of yourself, of course. And it's a matter of less time, and you might get, if you come earlier, you might get the service before the first end of the day. Yeah, let us fill the form first and we'll see. So I have filled up the form. It took me around I was a little slow on the form because I was reading onto that ki kya hai. and uncle said that bhaiya will come around 9:30 and plus 10 o'clock like that, and it done matter of half an hour, 1 hour. और एक फोटो चाहिए क्या? This is the Cosmovision Cable TV Network KMC campus Manipal office. It is like behind that water tank है ना यहाँ पे, वाटर टैंक के पास और शारदा के पीछे, शारदा हॉस्टल, लेडी गर्ल्स हॉस्टल. Sunil bhaiya we have here, and he will help you out with the process. I took the plan from here, and you can come and just we take a view what all plans they have. I took an unlimited one. So we are done now with the Wi-Fi process. आके अभी now it's like 9 in the morning. तो हम लोग वाईफाई का फॉर्म फिलअप किए, आधार कार्ड सबमिट किए, एंड दिस ऑफिस इज़ नियर लाइक वाटर टैंक है ना यहाँ पे, तो वाटर टैंक के पास ही है. एंड इस तरफ शारदा हॉस्टल है पीछे, तो जस्ट बिहाइंड दैट यू कम टू दिस प्लेस, टॉक टू दिस रामचंद्र अंकल. आई सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर those ION people to come and fix my internet, and once the internet is fixed, so my editing will be in full flow. Tuesday morning और मैं क्लास नहीं है, तो we have class at 3. And we are sanitizing it first. The So we have come to egg factory. aka Hadika, classmates. Tejas say hi.
Hi.
Deepak, Numan, and Akshay.
Vlogger.
Factory, it's known as aka Hadika though, but local name है egg factory, right? So we have Szechuan pasta, and I took coffee. We had coffee, tea, and milk in option. We have come to ribbons and balloons right here, and we'll have some coffee flavored cheesecake or something. So let's see. We need a coffee one. Nutella, hazelnut. Do you have coffee flavor? A cappuccino.
इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ डू लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करके और comment what you enjoyed in this video about, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe the videos.